Your property manager has provided you with a convenient, mobile-friendly portal for accessing important details about your rental. Your property manager will issue you a unique username and password and access link to your private owner portal through an automated email as shown here or by directly providing you details. Once you receive your login credentials, use the login link provided to access your portal through your desktop or follow the links to download the mobile app. The Owner Connect app can be used on all mobile devices and downloaded from the App Store or through Google Play. When logged in, your summary page will provide information your property manager has shared. Follow the link to view current work orders and attachments and notes from your property manager. The property page will display your rentals and the current or future tenant. If your rental is a multi-unit property, each subunit will fall below the property name. Click on the balance for a transaction ledger by entire property or individual rental, or if you have more than one rental and want to view a ledger for your entire portfolio, click on the statement page. Click on the paperclip icon to view the transaction attachment your property manager has shared with you. The Files page provides additional files shared with you. If your property manager has enabled the Reports page, you will find 5 different reports related to rental activity. And lastly, update your username and password through your settings. Having a professional property manager that provides an owner portal ensures your time is spent enjoying the things you love. If you have questions about accessing your owner portal, reach out to your property manager.